Alright, so our current sketch lets us connect to a WebSocket, or start a WebSocket server, and displays the IP address. It occurs to me I probably should have shown you how to test that on the previous video, so we'll start this video with just testing that WebSocket communication. My robot is still running, so I should be able to do wscat and then type in the IP address and port that are listed on the display. And it looks like I'm connected. The program doesn't currently do anything if I send a message, and it doesn't really do anything if I send a heartbeat message, or even a heartbeat message. But the fact that this connect command does in fact say connected means that the robot is actually running that WebSocket server. If I were to have a typo, or just if the WebSocket connection wasn't actually running, we'd get a different error here. So in this case, an error is connection refused because I gave it the wrong port number. If I give it the wrong IP address altogether, we should get a timeout, meaning that it tried to connect to this device, but this device didn't give us any sort of response within a reasonable amount of time. I would assume wscat gives it like 10 or 30 seconds. I'll pause the video here and we'll see how long it takes to get a timed out connection, or we'll just test my patience. It appears there was a 1 minute and roughly, 15 second. That seems like a strange amount of time, but I could see somebody in code writing 75 seconds as the timeout as the default. If you're wondering about my patience level, I actually was looking through the documentation after this went for longer than 20 seconds to see if there was a flag to set the timeout, but it pinged before I found any information on it. And so I'll end this video here, or combine it with the previous video. I suppose we'll see after editing.